With so many dental offices providing similar dental implant procedures, it can be very hard for a patient to choose where to go. Let me give you the top 3 reasons why you should come here. We've been part of the community for over 20 years. We have an amazing staff here that is dedicated to not just your comfort, but also your safety. We invest so much time and energy to improve our craft, to improve our techniques. There's always a better way to do dentistry. There's always a better way to help a patient get better treatment. So we invest a lot of time in not only educating ourselves, but we are also teaching other dentists how to place implants and do their dentistry better also. I've been doing the all-on-4 procedure for over 18 years now. And in that time, we've had an amazing success rate. The key thing is every patient's smile is different. We have to formulate a personalized treatment plan. We cannot use a one-size-fits-all approach. We're a one-stop shop. Everything is done under one roof. That means all the pre-planning, the surgery, all the prosthetics are placed, and even our hygiene recall appointments are all done under one roof. We control the process from start to finish, and that helps us get a better result. If you're interested in learning more, please give us a call for a complimentary consultation. Our team will be happy to see you to help guide you to get the smile that you want.